Hello class, good morning. So today we are going to discuss types of evidence. So sa mga korte, ang ebidensya mo'y pinaka-importante nga parte sa usa ka kaso. It's the presentation of evidence. There are three types, mauni ang real or object evidence, documentary evidence, and testimonial evidence. So first, real or object evidence. Real or object evidence refers to tangible items presented in court that can be seen or touched. It includes any physical object involved in the crime or directly related to the case. Kini mo yung mga ebidensya na makita o mahikap. An example, a knife used in robbery is presented in court to show how it was used to injure the victim. For example, a scenario. The prosecution submits the knife found at the crime scene as evidence, and the court examines the knife to assess if its physical characteristics match the witness descriptions and any injuries sustained by the victim. So, pananglitan, ang kutsilyo nga gigamit sa usa ka krimen. Pwede pod ang mga marka nga dugo or fingerprints na nabilin sa lugar sa krimen. Alright? So that is very clear. What are the kinds of the first type of evidence, which is object or real evidence, which can be felt, can be seen, can be touched. Another example is the marked bills in a theft case. So stolen money marked by the authorities is submitted as evidence to trace the flow of stolen assets. So for example, sa isang scenario, the defense argues that the money found on the accused does not match the description given by the victim. However, prosecution counters with the marked bills to prove a direct link between the theft and the accused. Another example is during a buy-bust operation for Shabu. Before the buy-bust operation, you mark the bills to make sure that the same bills will be found on the body or in the possession of the accused. Pag nahuli na siya, nilagay niya na sa bulsa. So, to create a chain na mauto ang kwarta na gipampalit sa drugs during the bust, ginamark nila ang bills. Meron pa nga nilalagyan pa nila ng powder. And then, so dalawang klaseng evidence na yon. Dalawang evidence na yon. First is, they write down the serial numbers. Ito, silat nila yung serial numbers. So, these are the numbers of 4, 1,000 bills with serial numbers AF, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B. Tapos continuous ang serial number ng pera. Kaya galing sa bangko, kunyari. They even added some powder that you use in your forensic subject so that it will attach to the skin of the accused once he touches the money. All right. So during the buy-bust, ikuha sa akusado ang pera, gibulsa niya, giihap-ihap pa niya, gibutang na niya sa bulsa, human hatag na siya gihatag na niya ang droga sa atong for sure buyer. So mauna. So once the accused at the time put the money in his pocket and there was a complete exchange of drugs and of goods and of the drugs and the money, doon na papasok ang mga pulis to make the arrest. So that is object or real evidence.